Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for /float and str. This error message is indicating that you are trying to perform a division operation between a float data type and a string data type, which is not allowed in Python. In Python, you can only perform arithmetic operations between compatible data types. This error occurs when you try to perform division operation between a floating point number and a string in Python. Here's an example. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. As you can see, the above code will raise a type error because we are trying to divide a floating point number by a string. To fix this error, we need to convert the string to a floating point number before performing the division operation. We can do this using the float function. Here's the corrected code. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. As you can see, the float function converts the string 2 to a floating point number 2, 0, which allows us to perform the division operation without raising an error. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.